So much more today is about October 9, no? Much more fun here in Cebu, Philippines, no? Again, helping the government, Cebu City government, no? I'm here with the office of the Vice Mayor, no? Here. Then, isa nga mo go? Joseph, again, thank you to Joseph, no? Nga helping people, yeah? Again, we based on the stress test lagi niya. Pantog BP, no? Go, ibong BP go is 131, no? 87, 80 imong pulse rate, no?
Normal na siya?
Yeah. 140 is the high blood na, no? Again.
131.
Oh, sikat go. Papay mo til. Okay. Oh, subuga may. Yeah, sigo, sikat. 1 minute na ta? 1 minute, no? Oh, sige, 1 minute and start. Now, no? Again here, no? 1 minute. So, karon. Sikat go. Nigahe, no? Again, nigahe, no? That means, no? Mula gina sa stress test, no? It's about tension and break, no? By which, no? Here, 1 minute lang. Again, be open-minded dyan, kay gawang Cebuano, no? Especially here, pwede lagi kamot, pwede tiil, no? Again, we have the office of the Vice Mayor, no? Maura, again, kanisa go, sa about nyo, di lagi sukit-slubot, no? Di ka maligsan, di ka maulanan, di ka madamagay. Pero, no? In which, narakas balay, continuous lang go. So again, 30 seconds more. Again, thank you ni Joseph, no, for helping us. In which, here, again, last 2 seconds. 10 seconds, no? So again, here at the Cebu City, no? Again, last 3 seconds. And stop, no? Again, stop, go. So again, kung siya na to BP, go. Linto siya, go. Ato, itanti, no? So here, again, 1 minute, no? Then, we check the BP again of Musaka. That's mean, okay, no? Then, of Ubos, Peligro, no? Kaya padong ka mo collapse. Again, this is a stress test. Yeah? All is based in the stress test by which wapay in the whole world ana nga yung aning effect, no? By which lagi nga to ang ipapauli sa doktor sa hospital, no? I-discharge with oxygen machine ang tank. I-discharge. Oy, pabuhi ka sila. Karon buhi naman sila. Mudua na magbasket. In which kinira, no? Tapambal nga dili tumaron gawa ng Sambagdos Sitio Calubiano, Cebu City. If the city government will help us, no? Maybe we can history, no? Okay, go. Is 142,
Saka
84, 85.
3131 mo to.
Again, 3131. Just 1 minute lang go. No? How much more ba ko ang atong goal ni? Just 1 hour? Continuous without stopping. Tang-tang zero cholesterol ni mo. Ayaw ka. Di ba? By which, palakpunta ka. 1 minute, saka-saka. No, again, Arwin argumenter po. Kawanan sa Magdos, no? So just Provian, so in here, no? Again, would like to thanks, no? Para sila Bilya, yeah, Vice Mayor. Oh, podcast ko na, inom ng sito na, advertisement na. Again, thank you, you're helping people, about the viewers, no? Again, you can watch here, no? You can watch here at the Freedom, YouTube, Google, Facebook, and YouTube, no? Just type Heart Isatina, Arwin Ergometer, or stress test, no? Again, eyes can see, ears can hear, perfect for the brain stem. Ayo ka, again, thank you.